thankful for being alive and kicking this year.
Kicking ka?
Yeah.
Aching?
Yeah, it's like surviving. Because the Lord's grace is so enough and sufficient to my life.
I am thankful for number 1, and I was able to finish all my clinical requirements. Hashtag sure na magmamarcha sa March. Dami yan, 20 yan eh.
25
Safe delivery ni Bibi tsaka ni Liza. Yun.
Thankful for my son, Damian, and my husband, Harold.
Yay!
I'm
Thank
thankful
you.
for the safe delivery of Damian, and I'm thankful for our home and a wonderful family.
Thankful for work and purpose this year. Grateful for all God's blessing. Siyempre, yung number 1. Thankful for I am a grandfather now.
Oh, English.
Thankful ako na nag-may apo na ako. Hindi nagkakasakit si Papa. Yay! Na to. Masaya ako kasi buo tayo. Every 24 nagsasama-sama tayo.